Okay guys, so I think one important question you want to highlight because there's this video going around where this thing actually say cannot close properly. So does it actually close? Zar? Do the honors please.
Will it close?
What's up guys, Farhan here with Zar once again, and today we are here in Vcom Bukit Batok. We are actually here to change our IU unit to the current and brand new onboard unit lah. The existing ERP system, which is in service since 1998, is more than 25 years old and reaching the end of its functional life. The current ERP system will be replaced by a new global navigation satellite system based ERP 2.0 system.
And all the Singapore-registered vehicles, including motorcycles, will need to replace the current in-vehicle unit with the new onboard unit.
Alright guys, so here I have with us is the new OBU. Okay, haven't fit into a motorcycle yet.
This is called the onboard unit.
So what do you think, first impressions wise?
It looks cool with black,
matte black some more.
Matte black. It looks nice, but it's slightly bigger than the current IU unit that we have.
So I know that some of you guys have actually feedback that this is a bit chunky, a bit bigger than the current IU unit. But for me, it's not so bad lah.
The black color finish gives it a more classy look.
I agree. Yeah, eventually you'll get used to it lah.
For motorcycles, the OBU is a single-piece design that includes a processing unit and a small touchscreen for riders to toggle through the different functions.
Installation took around 1.5 hours for us. Wasn't too long in our personal opinion.
Well guys, got lounge for us to wait while they are fitting the new OBU. Hey, good. Thank you. Thank you. Cheers, cheers.
Okay guys, so I've been told by the OBU Installation Center and LTA that the OBU functions the same way that the current IU unit does. It goes through the car park gantries as per usual, and there's also no difference on how we are charged for ERP. It uses the CPass compliant cards such as Nets FlashPay and Easily Motoring card. The chip-based cash cards cannot be used with the new OBU. And also to mention, if you are a current motorbike owner, the IU number will remain the same in the OBU. Because of this, your season parking or any back-end payment service such as Nets Cash Card or Easily Motoring service that you sign up for will still work. So there's no need for you to do anything. The mandatory swap from the current IU unit to the OBU is to set us up and transition to the new ERP 2.0. The current ERP system will be replaced with the ERP 2.0 system based on the GNSS Global Navigation Satellite System. All physical ERP gantries will gradually be removed. In the future, the OBU is going to tell the rider or driver that you're approaching an ERP charging location. Okay, so let's get to the OBU's functions. So to get started, simply turn on your vehicle and you hear the startup sound and the hello. It will display insert card if there's no card inside. When the CPass card is inserted, it will display its balance before displaying the date, time and menu options. This is a touchscreen LCD display, okay? And press it. There's only two functions, which is the settings, and this house thing over here is home. So when you press home, you'll go back to the main menu lah. When you press the settings button, there's actually three adjustments that you can make, which is the brightness, the volume of the OBU, and information. So information basically displays the OBU serial number, which I'm going to censor, of course. And take note that the firmware, together with the time and date, is updated automatically. There's no need to manually update the OBU or do anything on your end. To adjust the brightness, simply press the brightness tab, okay? You can adjust between daytime brightness and nighttime brightness. So both are the same accordingly, okay? So you can adjust like this. Now we are at level 5. You can see the screen dimming quite a bit, and this is 0. And nighttime brightness goes the same as well. Alright. Back to home. And after that, You can adjust the volume of the OBU also. Okay, so right now it's at level 5. And you can adjust it up to 10. It goes silent when you adjust it to 1. As I mentioned just now, there's actually a app for the OBU, which is the ERP 2.0 app. You can download this from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. But for motorcycle riders, it is optional for you to download the app.
Will it close? Let's find out.
First of all, I want to thank LTA for actually giving us the opportunity to shoot and do a video on this OBU onboard unit, and also VCOM.
It's Vicom.
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 Vicom. Oh, all the while I pronounce wrong. This is why I go STA, guys. So anyway, and thanks to Vicom for also facilitating with the installation of the OBU on our bikes.
So for the next few days or weeks, perhaps we are going to test out the usability of this OBU, see how it blends into the new generation of
ERP 2.0.
ERP 2.0.
So that's it for the vlog, and we'll see you guys in the next one.